Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be discussing about Bitcoin. Is $83,000 Bitcoin possible by the end of the year, end of 2024? I'm going to show you the data which supports the idea that this is possible. I'm going to show you also long-term, short-term, what to expect in the next upcoming weeks and months. If you're new to the channel, of course, subscribe, hit the like button for more notification. We post one video every single day. Guys, straight away, I want to cut the chase and show you what's happening right now with BTC. We had a beautiful pump yesterday and the day before. As you can see, everybody was expecting BTC to go down to this area, down to 56,000, 55,000, 40,000. Everybody calling for a bear market, and Bitcoin did the exact opposite, printing this beautiful candle over here, which is finally showing some strength. And of course, guys, in our Discord channel, our VIP group, we already knew everything, what to do in our analysis. You can see over here, guys, we wrote everything over here. Look at the amount of short seller at 60 to 63,000. I wouldn't be surprised if market makers will not take this liquidity today. So that's what we said before. And of course, guys, the trading results talk for themselves. Look at this. Incredible results from our member, guys. If you want a proper group of professional traders to trade short term, but also long term for altcoins, be in a community of pros where you can make money every single day, guys, join the VIP group, link in the description below. Now let's get started with Bitcoin. So beautiful pump from here. You can see that right now looks like on the daily chart the BTC could be completing and what we called inverted head and shoulder. Right now, guys, it's only speculation, is not confirmed, but I just want to show you something, over here, which is quite remarkable, is the fact that it looks like we're about to break finally this long-term bull flag that we have over here. We had it for like 6 months, 7 months, and right now we are really getting close to this area over here. So looking at the chart here, we can see this inverted head and shoulder that if it's going to play, if we're going to be able to break the neckline, which is sitting exactly over here at $60,000 to $67,000, what we could be seeing from here is going to be an explosion to the upside, potentially reaching these two connecting points over here, which is roughly $83,000 to $84,000. Of course, it's not going to go up in a straight line like I'm showing you right now, but what we could be seeing could be something maybe like this, a bit of a retracement up to here, and then something like this until the end of the year, especially if Donald Trump is going to win. So that could be a possibility. Of course, I'm not saying it's going to happen 100%, but I would like you to open your mouth, and I'm also going to show you why this could be happening as well. This guy is the bullish case to have an inverted head and shoulder on the daily, continue to go higher, go up to $83,000 to $84,000. But also there is a possibility, and I wouldn't like to exclude this possibility as well. I'm going to go more into a shorter time frame and show you as well. You can see that right now, we were able to climb back up, from this area over here, but also BTC is forming a channel, like a downward channel, and still we were not be able to break this channel over here. And then if you connect these 2 points over here to this point over here, you can see that right now we could be missing one last leg to the downside, sitting at $57,000. So that could be also a possibility that we could be seeing maybe one last dip to the downside and then continuation up. However, like I told you before, this potential inverted head and shoulder looks very remarkable to me, and I wouldn't be surprised if you're going to be able to go here and then break to the upside. But of course, guys, short term, you need to be also open to the idea we could be see one last correction. And what you can do in this case, you can go long, you can go short, of course, with our VIP group over here, guys. Now, I want to show you as well why we could be seeing Bitcoin at $83,000 coming for the end of the year. Straight away, I want to show you, I'm going to go on CoinGlass and show you the Q4 Bitcoin quarterly return. As you can see, during election years, guys, we had a 168% in 2020. Then we had 2016, 58%. Then we had 2012, is not here, but we also had a gain. So in general, looking at this election year, we always had a pump in between 50 to 150%. And even if we're going to have a 50% pump with Bitcoin, what could be the target? Could be roughly 83 to $85,000. Another reason why this could be pumping like crazy, why Bitcoin could go way higher, is also due to this thing over here, guys. The Chinese market, China has been super bullish, printing so much money, stimulating the economy to try to really, because right now, they're in deflation, so they're trying to stimulate by printing billions or trillions of yuan. And what's happening right now? They're giving free money to the population. The population can invest in crypto and therefore pumping Bitcoin and the other altcoins. Also, another bullish news is the FTX repayment as well. You can see that the FTX bankruptcy repayment should be starting in Q4. They still haven't started, and then they're planning to reimburse everybody within 60 days. And of course, if you're going to have $16 billion entering into the system, even if 20% are going to put money into crypto again, that would be a very bullish news. And of course, the other one is about the Fed cutting interest rates, which of course is going to decrease the value of the dollar and increase the value of BTC. Another reason why we could be very bullish in terms of seeing BTC around 83 to $84,000, maybe a pound to 85, is the fact that BTC, it looks like at the moment, could be resembling the same fractal that happened in October to January 2023. You can see that over here we started to pump around the 16th of October, which is same in line with this, with our recent pump. And if it's going to continue, if we're going to have the same fractal, and then I place the fractal over here, it brings me exactly to this convergence line from here, and from here. So if history is going to repeat itself, then of course we could be seeing like a target coming to here. And again, guys, it's only a fractal. It's not. I'm not saying that it's going to be happening 100% because you probably know already my scenario. We could be seeing one last dip to the downside and then to continue higher, or we could be seeing something from here. But there are specific technicals that you have to learn. That's why I say it's very important, guys. Our VIP group already knows all of this because we are going to go like hawks to try to detect all of this. We're going to know when to go long and when to go short. But right now, everything is pointing out that we could be seeing this rally coming sooner rather than later. Something else that people are asking me as well, when is our season going to start, guys? I got very good news for you. Our season, you can see that right now we had this beautiful chart of the total free market cap. You can see that right now we are with the altcoins in a sort of what we call disbelief phase. Disbelief phase is whenever people think this is a fail rally, it's not going to go higher, it's impossible, it's going to go higher. And right now you can see that we were forming a potential bull flag from here. So what happened in the last couple of weeks with the total free market cap, which exclude Bitcoin, we were able to break this area over here, to break this flag. And right now, what we could be seeing could be a retest of this flag over here, continuation to the upside, and then a development in the next maybe 6 months into euphoria phase. And again, we only have a $600 billion market cap. If you're going to continue to go higher, we could be reaching a euphoria level connecting these three lines over here of a crypto total market cap of $1.6 trillion, which is pretty much 3x from here, which means lots of altcoins could 4x, 5x, or even 10x from here. The last one I also want to show you guys, very important, is going to be this chart over here. I'm going to go and show you the logarithmic chart so you understand very well what I mean. This is, guys, is called. I'm gonna go maybe on the monthly so you can see a little bit better. So this chart over here was designed by myself and is called the leaving the boring zone and entering the banana zone. You can see that right now from here. During the post elections in November, we always had a 5x diminishing return. So I was calculating how much Bitcoin has pumped after the election. You can see that in 2020, we pumped 10,000%. Then in 2016, we pumped 2,000%. 2020, 400%. And right now, if everything is going to play the same way as has been playing like that, with a minus 5% diminishing return post the election, what we could be seeing could be an 80% pump. And considering Bitcoin right now is sitting around this area over here at $63,000, what we could be seeing could be a pump up to this level reaching $112,000. $83,000. And again, guys, this is very important to understand. This is not the $83,000 is not my last long-term target. I'm thinking maybe 83K, a bit of a pullback, and then one last blow off top. But I'm thinking for the end of the cycle, a target of $115,000 could definitely be on the cards. The last thing I want to show you today, guys, very important, is actually the DXY dollar currency index. You can see we nailed this correction from here. We were saying that we could have seen a rebound coming to this area for ABC correction, and right now you can see that's what we could be seeing in the next few days, especially if the Fed is going to cut interest rates. We're going to be seeing the DXY falling even further. And what it means that if the DXY or dollar currency index is going to fall even further, then it's going to give lots of fuel to be injected into crypto, into stocks, and into risk assets, which then they can go way, way higher. And the last one I also want to show you guys, you can see that on the 10 years treasury yield, even better. I'm going to show you the 2 years treasury yield to show you what's happening right now with fixed income. People buying fixed income. You can see that right now, guys, the situation hasn't changed at all. People are saying that we're going to see a reversal. In my opinion, this was a head and shoulder. It's about to get retested. We might probably go up to 4.295, but then after that, if the Fed is going to continue to cut interest rates and Donald Trump is going to be elected, then we could be seeing a retest from here and then a continuation to the downside at 2.8%. That's going to be incredibly bullish for crypto stocks because all the investors are going to take the money away and put them there. And of course, guys, that's about it for today. I really hope I give you more insight. And of course, if you want to know more about altcoins price analysis, every single day we post this on the VIP group. But also, if you want to learn my strategy that enable me to transform 200K into $1.1 million, guys, you can go and on my website watch a free training, which is just designed to show you how you can make 20+% per month in under 4 hours per week utilizing my strategy called the $1 million strategy. 15 minutes free training, 15 minutes video, see what I have to say, and see, of course, if this can help you. Guys, being a trader, you can learn it. It's a skill that you can learn. It's not easy, but I can guarantee you that once you learn it, you're going to get really addicted. You're going to be able to make a secondary income, change your life, change your career, and so much more. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'm going to see you tomorrow for another video, and I really hope you're going to enjoy your weekend as well.